We're on the mission to rank every dive bar in Chicago. Today, we're in the Lakeview East area visiting Parrots Bar and Grill. For draft beer, they had 4 out of 6 taps available, but the beers were served cold in glass cups. They offered excellent variety, including flavored vodkas and various liqueurs. Not much top shelf, but a great selection overall. This is where this spot stands out. They offer over 10 TVs, free pool, darts, plenty of board games, food, and AMI music. It's a very friendly and welcoming atmosphere, especially during happy hour. A lot of locals and great bartender interaction. Service was great. Bartender informed us of the daily specials that they offered, all while we were watching Jeopardy and cracking jokes. I got a shot of the house whiskey and a Miller Lite for $4 each, while Zeke got 2 Coors on draft for $4.50 each. This is our ranking for Parrots Bar and Grill. Please let us know where we should go next.